If you are a cooking enthusiast, you probably want to try to experience different kind of cooking methods as much as you can, right? One of the cooking methods that probably not many people know is a sous vide, which means under vacuum in French. This food making process is executed by using vacuum sealing food in a bag. Then the food is cooked on a very precise temperature in a water bath. On today's video, we have listed some best sous vide cooker deals in 2020. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. To use this sous vide cooker, you need to attach the tool to any water-filled pot. Then put your food in a Ziploc bag and clip it to the side of the pot. Then set your time and temperature on the device or the Anova app. The app can help you cook your food remotely while doing other activities. The app will send you notifications on your cooking status. You will also get countless recipes online for free upon buying this cooker. Sansaire Sous Vide. This sous vide cooker is unique compared to other sous vide machines since it can stand on its own in a pot or container of water without attaching to the side. This device also doesn't offer Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, so you need to set the time and temperature manually. Even though this cooker lacks on some compatible app, you can still cook nearly any food you want. The LED screen on this device will show the temperature, and the thermometer can hold the water to within 0.1 Celsius of the preferred temperature. Chef steps of Jolly Sous Vide. This sous vide cooker is only half the size of the other sous vide machine style in the market. It fits your kitchen drawer, which is very convenient for many. This cooker also offers 1100 watts of power for ultra-fast water heating. It is also supported by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and can be operated through compatible Jolly app. The app features an exclusive visual doneness that let you know exact photos of how your food will turn out. This Jolly also works with Amazon Alexa, so you can use voice control to operate this cooker.